When you search for the best bike handlebar extender, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. Briskmore Handlebar Bike Mirror. First up is the Briskmore Handlebar Bike Mirror. Priced at just $13.99, this product caught my attention with its sleek design and practical features. If you want a clear rear view while riding, this is worth a serious look. Here's what makes this mirror stand out. It boasts a 4.7-inch by 2.4-inch HD shatterproof convex mirror that provides crystal clear vision. This is crucial because being able to see behind you can prevent accidents. The 360 degrees rotatable design allows you to adjust the angle instantly, eliminating those pesky blind spots. Plus, with a universal fit, it works on most mountain bikes, e-bikes, and cruisers. The heavy-duty construction means it can withstand rough weather, and a longer arm design helps you see over your shoulder without straining. With over 5,400 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, many users love it. Now, some buyers did mention that it's specifically designed for the left side, which can be limiting. Here's the thing, though. If you're aware of this and have the right bike, you won't find a better option for safety and visibility. This is perfect for you if you commute regularly or enjoy long rides and want peace of mind. Skip this one if you ride a drop bar road bike, as it won't fit. For the price, it's a solid investment in safety. Now, if the left side limitation bothered you, this next one takes a different approach. Product number 2, Jewage 31.8 Bike Handlebar. Next is the Jewage 31.8 Bike Handlebar, priced at $32.98. This handlebar caught my eye with its modern design and ergonomic features. If you're serious about your mountain biking, this is worth a serious look. What sets this handlebar apart is its impressive width of 780 millimeters and a 31.8 millimeters clamp diameter. This size helps you maintain better control during those tricky descents. It's made from durable 6061 aluminum alloy, which mimics carbon's shock-absorbing properties, making it easier on your hands and wrists during long rides. The 12-degree rearward sweep is crucial for reducing wrist fatigue, letting you enjoy those long trails without discomfort. With a 4.7-star rating from nearly 1,000 users, it's clear that this handlebar has made a positive impact. However, some users found it a bit heavy for their taste. Here's the thing, though. The durability and performance you get in return are often worth that extra weight, especially for mountain biking. This is perfect for you if you value comfort and control on tough terrains. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight. It's a solid value for serious mountain bikers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for comfort and grip. Product number 3, Punter Bike Handlebar Grips. Coming up next, we have the Punter Bike Handlebar Grips at a budget-friendly $6.98. These grips grab my attention due to their ergonomic design and affordability. If you want comfort without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. These grips are made from high-quality non-slip rubber, ensuring a firm grip even in wet conditions. The single aluminum alloy lock-on system secures the grips tightly, so you won't worry about them slipping during your ride. They're designed to fit more than 90% of bikes, including BMX and mountain bikes, which makes them super versatile. With a solid rating of 4.4 stars from over 9,600 reviews, many users appreciate their comfort and grip. The downside? A few users mentioned the grips might wear down faster than expected. Here's the thing. At this price point, you can afford to replace them without feeling guilty, and many find the comfort they deliver worth it. This is perfect for you if you ride casually and want an upgrade for comfort. Skip this one if you're looking for something that lasts forever. For the price, you really can't go wrong. Now, if you're looking for something more adjustable, the next product has you covered. Product number 4, Luray Bike Stem Riser Extender. Next in line is the Luray Bike Stem Riser Extender, priced at $9.99. This product really stood out due to its adjustability and ease of installation. If you're looking to customize your riding position, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this stem riser is that it can increase your handlebar height by up to 85 millimeters. This is a game changer for riders who want to find that perfect fit for comfort. It's compatible with most bikes that have a 1 1/8, 28.6 millimeters steerer tube, making it versatile. The included spacers allow you to tweak the height to your liking. With a 4.6-star rating from almost 6,000 reviews, many are impressed by how it improves their riding experience. On the downside, a few users found the riser to be slightly wobbly at higher heights. Here's the thing though, if you tighten it properly and don't push it to extremes, it generally holds well. This is perfect for you if you want to customize your fit without spending a fortune. Skip this if you need something for extreme off-roading. It's a great option for comfort and adjustability. Now, if you want to mount extra devices, the next product is definitely worth checking out. Product number 5, Briskmore Handlebar Extender. Finally, we have the Briskmore Handlebar Extender, priced at $14.39. This product caught my attention because of its versatility in mounting additional devices. If you're looking to add accessories to your ride, this is worth a serious look. The Briskmore Extender features an 8-inch long crossbar that allows you to mount items like phone holders, lights, or cameras. It's made from durable aluminum alloy, ensuring it can handle rough rides without bending or breaking. The adjustable mounting base fits various handlebar sizes, which is essential for compatibility. With a 4.5-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, it's clear that users find it reliable. However, some users reported that it doesn't fit well on curved handlebars. Here's the thing though, if you have flat handlebars, it performs excellently and adds a lot of functionality to your bike. This is perfect for you if you want to expand your bike's capabilities with extra accessories. Skip this if you have curved handlebars, as it may not work for you. For the price, it's a practical addition to your biking setup. So there you have it, 5 great options for bike handlebar extenders. From the safety of the Briskmore mirror to the versatility of the Briskmore Extender, there's something for every kind of rider. Make sure to choose one that fits your needs and enjoy your next ride.